Let's start the day today with the discriminant, which is a part of the quadratic formula that will help us to determine what kind of roots we will get or the nature of the roots. Now, the discriminant can be understood as it is b squared minus 4ac. That's the discriminant. It's a part of the quadratic formula derived from the quadratic equation. Now, this discriminant is important because before you go ahead to find the roots of an equation, the two roots of an equation, you will actually know whether you're going to get these type of roots. Number one, if your discriminant is greater than 0, you will get two distinct real roots. If your discriminant is less or is equal to 0, sorry about that, is equal to 0, then you will get two real equal roots or two equal real roots, which means the roots are equal. One root and the other root will be the same. Not like the first one. When they say two distinct real roots, it means that one value of x would be a different value of the other x. And the third nature or condition is that if your discriminant is less than 0, which means that this value would be negative, then you will have no roots. So when you're applying the quadratic formula and first determine the discriminant, you would actually be able to know that would you be getting two distinct real roots or two real equal roots or no roots at all. And if you look at the quadratic formula, it is that x is equal to minus b plus minus b squared minus 4ac upon 2a. So there's a second advantage here, is that if you already know what is the discriminant, and if it is less than 0, your calculation ends there. You don't go any further step. Your calculation ends there. But if you are to have a discriminant greater than 0 or equal to 0, then you can go ahead and calculate, and when you reach this point here, you can put the value of the discriminant here, or you can put the value, whatever may be the value, you can put it here instead of going ahead to do this calculation of this part. So that's the advantage of knowing discriminant. In the next video, I will explain to you how to apply this in a quadratic equation when you try to find the roots using the quadratic formula.